Hey YouTube family, so here are our ingredients for today. We've got paprika, cayenne pepper, Worcestershire sauce, breadcrumbs, yellow mustard, one egg, and some ground chicken. Let's get into it, folks. So the first thing that I want to do is I'm going to take this ground chicken, and it's about a pound, and I'm going to add this ground chicken to our bowl because what we're making here, folks, is going to be the perfect ground chicken. Yes. And so I've added one egg, and then we'll next begin to add our seasonings. So I am grabbing my oregano. As you can see there, oregano. Everything that we do today is going to be at least 1 teaspoon. So here's a generous teaspoon, and I'm just spreading it all over that ground chicken, folks. Really, really good. Next, I'm going to go ahead and grab that black pepper. Again, just a teaspoon of black pepper is all you need. So this is a really generous teaspoon. That looks good there. And then I'm going to go ahead and add our cumin. Cumin gives it a very distinct taste and flavor. It's a secret, folks. So grab you some cumin and just add that to that ground chicken, folks. Yes. And then last, what I will do is add some paprika. I'll need at least a teaspoon of paprika. And so I'm just going to generously spread that teaspoon of paprika. And you know what? I'm just going to add cayenne pepper because I have to have a little kick. If you don't like hot stuff, then folks, you do not have to add cayenne, but I'm going in because this is going to be the best chicken burgers you've ever tasted. And so here is about a teaspoon or a few shakes of W sauce. I guess it's Worcestershire sauce. So I've added that along with some mustard, folks. That good yellow mustard. If you want to use Dijon mustard, you can. And then I'm adding 2 teaspoons of breadcrumbs. So don't forget your breadcrumbs, folks. That's very important. And so then I'm going to take my hands and I'm just generously just massaging. Again, folks, you want to make sure that you love your food. Just mix all of that goodness, the mustard and all of those seasonings all together because this is what is going to make your ground chicken burgers stand apart from everyone else's, folks. So I'm just going in, I'm going to roll this around so I get the perfect little ball type deal going on here. And that looks about right. Looks just about right. A few more pats and squirrels, and I think that's good. So now I've got a plate, and I'm gonna form these up into my patties. Because folks, what we want to do is I kind of like thick patties, so this is about a quarter of an inch chicken burger that we're gonna make, and I believe I'll go ahead and make about 4 of these because I'll eat some, and then of course my wife, she's gonna eat 2 burgers as well. And then here's a game changing secret. I'm taking my thumb and pressing my thumb in the center of these chicken burgers because that will stop it from swelling up like a big chicken meatball when we put it on the stove. So always remember that, folks. Make you a little thumb indentation in the center of your chicken patties, and OMG, it will not swell up on you like a big old meatball. So there's 4 of those. Last little thumbprint here and there, and that looks good. I think I'll go ahead and get these wrapped up. So I've just taken a little bit of this saran wrap, and I'll need probably, I guess, one more sheet of saran wrap will be good. So here's that. And now here's a game changing tip, folks. You want to put these in the freezer. That's right, in the freezer for about 15 minutes. And so now I'll go ahead and chop up some white onions because we're gonna need our onions, folks. I do want to tell you I forgot to show you guys me putting the white onions on the final burger, but trust me, I added those white onions and I've got them all chopped up, and that's good. So here's our hot skillet, and I'm going to take some olive oil, probably about maybe an ounce or 2 ounces of olive oil, about an ounce or so of olive oil on that hot cast iron skillet. And there's those onions, folks. Now with your onions, you want to let your onions kind of get translucent. You don't want to do too much to your onions, because if you do it just right, it's going to give it a nice sweet taste. It won't be hot. It'll be a perfect complement for those chicken burgers. So I'm just mixing all this in now. And then I've got to add some pink salt. You can use any kind of salt you want. I like Himalayan pink salt, because it has great minerals in it. You have to be careful with salt, but if you're gonna have a salt, definitely do the pink salt. I would definitely recommend it. And so I'm just giving it a finer whip and mixer upper here, folks. That looks really, really well. Also, YouTube family, if you have not hit that like and subscribe button, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Definitely trying to get up to 100 subscribers. So I'm just taking my bowl here and I'm going to scoop out the rest, because we want to remove those. We let these cook for probably about 45 seconds, to maybe 1 minute, just to get a little translucent. So that looks really, really well. That looks really good. That's right, YouTube. Alright, so we're back at the hot skillet again. I'm going to add a little bit more oil to the pan, because we've got to get those chicken patties. They have been sitting in the freezer. Look at those. They've been in the freezer for 15 minutes. And this is another game changing secret. If you freeze them, they don't break apart. So these are chicken burgers that never broke apart. Look at that. Look at that, folks. Ooh, that oil is just sizzling up really, really well. And we'll let it caramelize here for about 7 minutes, because we want to make sure that internal temp is at 165. We don't want anybody sick. And so just look at that good caramelization we have. And so we'll go for another 7 minutes on the other side. Also, you want to make sure you take a food thermometer and just check the inside of your chicken for 165. And folks, I got some potato rolls, and this is what I love. You gotta toast the inside. And so let me go ahead and get these plated up for you, folks, because these chicken burgers, I mean, folks, are amazing. So I'm just adding some mayo, as quickly as I can for you guys. You can go as generous as you want, or you can go as light. I'm going in, folks. I'm trying to just get it. Gotta get it on there. Gotta get it on there. Because you guys, I know your taste buds are just watering. This is an amazing chicken burger. So I've got that on there, and now we're going in with the mustard. I gotta put some mustard on mine. One thing that I didn't want, I didn't put any. The only vegetable I put on our chicken burgers today was those white onions. Didn't want any veggies, so this is a really quick meal, guys. I'm adding ketchup, as you can see here. This whole process took less than 15 minutes. And so I'm adding those chicken burgers. And look at the size of those chicken burgers, folks. I mean, these patties are thick and they taste totally amazing. And YouTube, this is your boy Chef Timmy J. And like I said, I've got the best chicken burgers for you. Got that all plated up, and bam. There you go, YouTube. Final presentation. Again, hit that like and subscribe button. Definitely stay tuned for more content. Oh my goodness, this is so good. YouTube family, I love you guys, and definitely have a great day.